What's up everyone, it's Hey John. I jabber opportunities nonstop. In today's video, I will be discussing my other investment, Shiba Inu coin. What is going on? Am I gonna lose all my money? Am I gonna go broke? Is it gonna go moon? Well, make sure you watch this whole video. So let's go ahead and dive into the news and charts to see what's going on. WEBULL, I've been using them for over a year now, and you can get 2 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL. All you gotta do is use my link down below in the description, deposit $100, and you will get 2 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL. And most importantly, you can trade stocks and cryptos, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, all commission free. What are you waiting for? Check it out. Shiba Inu, why is it down and what's going on? Well, let me tell you. Currently, the markets are on a macro correction. What does that mean? It means all of the big boys, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're all pulling back. When they pull back, everything else follows. It's kind of like the FANGs, the Facebooks, the Apples, Netflix, Google. When they go down, the S&P 500 follows them as well because they hold the majority of the market cap. When this happens, this is the time to be looking for Black Friday discounts. As you know, Thanksgiving is coming next week, and well, I would say we're getting discounts right now, a week ahead of time. And the reason why we're seeing pullbacks and a sell-off is due in part to many reasons, but one of them is some folks are just looking to sell off their position and enjoy their Thanksgiving and taxes for next year. As you know, tax season is only a few months away and the next year is coming, so you need to sell your positions before the end of the year. So some folks do it before Christmas, some folks do it before Thanksgiving. It really depends on what kind of trader you are, and that's okay, right? Because there can be many reasons for this. Maybe you sell in November, maybe you sell in December because maybe you bought in November, maybe you bought in December. So you are using the 1 year plus tax loophole where if you hold an asset for more than a year, you pay lesser taxes. So there can be a plethora of reasons of why someone would sell today or tomorrow or the next month. With that being said, I want to show you guys what's going on with the markets though. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give a quick macro overview of what's going on. Bitcoin is down 11.18% for the week. Ethereum, 15%. Binance Coin, 15%. Solana, 17%. Cardano, 15%, Ripple, 13%, and our beautiful and infamous meme coins, Dogecoin is down 14%, Shiba Inu is down 21%. Well, folks, is it to any surprise to you right now that we're seeing a huge correction because these are the top 10 coins, and when you see them pulling back, it just tells you that, guess what, folks are taking profits, and it is time for the FUD to come out to shake you out of your positions. Because as I say to folks, you want to sell green days and you want to buy red days. So what does that mean? It means you buy the dip and you sell the pops. That is basic stock trading 101. But of course, the opposite occurs for most folks. They want to buy green and they want to sell red. So it's a very interesting phenomenon, the human psyche. But hopefully you guys are smarter than that and you understand what's going on. To me, when I see a red day, I get excited, believe it or not. When I see a green day, I also get excited because I get selling opportunities. You just need to ask yourself, what kind of investor are you? Are you an investor or are you a trader? If you're an investor, you hodl. Everything here is just noise, these short-term price actions. If you're a trader, well, these price actions will generate you tons of revenue. So I do have some more news for you guys, and let me show you right now. Shiba Inu. Even though we're having all of this bearish news, all these sell-offs, but guess what though? People are smart. Before when I told you some folks get excited about a red day, well guess what? We have 977,330 hodlers, and we've actually increased by 0.281% of hodlers. This means that people are coming in to buy the dip. Maybe these folks were on the sidelines because when you see Shiba Inu at all-time highs, you're saying, okay, I don't want to buy there because I don't want to buy at a premium and full price. I want to get a discount. And right now we're seeing Black Friday discounts. So when you see a good discount at the store, what do? For me, I go buy it up and I stockpile because you know what? The price will rise. It's a matter of when and not if. And do not forget, folks, the new year is coming and altcoin season is coming as well. So with those things in mind, there is a lot of potential to go a lot higher. So do not forget, folks, we have increased hodlers, we have more people buying the dip, and most importantly, it's coming to the end of the year and we're going to start a new year soon in about 2 months or 6 weeks. And most importantly, we're going to see new all-time highs being achieved because, as you know, a new year means new all-time highs. And cryptocurrency, I wouldn't say guaranteed does it, but we do see the nice pops, usually in the beginning of the year. So let's go ahead and wait and see if we can make this happen again. AMC theaters to accept Shiba Inu within 2 to 4 months. The largest movie theater in the US already accepts Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptos. AMC theaters will accept Shiba Inu as payment through BitPay wallets in 60 to 120 days, AMC CEO Adam Aaron said on Tuesday. Aaron said in a tweet Tuesday that his suggestion BitPay will start accepting SHIB and AMC will be the first to use the service. BitPay provides payment processing services for cryptocurrencies. Last week, Aaron said AMC will start accepting Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies for online payments. The theater chain will also accept Dogecoin for the purchase of gift cards worth up to $200 per day, the CEO tweeted earlier in October. Ladies and gentlemen, this is huge news for the SHIB army because we will be the first of our kind to be doing this. And to me, that is bullish news. If the largest retail chain in America is willing to believe in using the SHIB army and Shiba Inu coin as a form of transaction, why in the heck would you not be bullish? As I know, the CEO, Adam Aaron, has all of his money in the stock. He has not sold anything and he believes in the stock. So you have to believe if Adam Aaron is willing to do this, then he also believes in the SHIB army and the revenue they will bring. So the takeaway is believe in yourself and believe in the SHIB army. So let me go ahead and show you guys where we are going on the charts. We are now looking at the SHIB army chart. The current price as of this recording is 42.70. So what do we have here? We have a downward trend line. I said in a previous video when I saw a breakout on November 14 and November 15, I said, hey, you know what? I want to say 3 or 4 days of consolidation above the downward trend line. And of course, guess what? It did not happen due to all the macro FUD being tossed out, and it derailed this movement. And that's okay, folks. The reason why is because nobody knows when the FUD will come out. The only person who knows are the people who are creating it and the people who are paying for it. But I will tell you where we are going, and our strongest support will be at 3474. If and when we get around there, I believe it may happen sooner rather than later. I would say this is a great time to buy the dip. The reason why is because this is where you're seeing the VITAL ALGO supply zone showing green, and this means that this is a very strong support. And people are selling off right now, right? We've been selling off for literally 22 whole days. And you cannot sell forever, folks, because even though people are selling off, people are also buying, because if no one was buying, it would go down to zero, right? So this means that people are buying the dips. We're seeing increased hodlers. All right, folks. So you want to make sure you watch the 3474 support line, okay? Because if we do not bounce out there, then look for more downside. But I believe, and I'm just telling you, folks, from experience, usually these strong support lines will hold its own because lots of traders use technical analysis, and many times it is a self-fulfilling prophecy. And do not forget, folks, we've been selling off for 22 whole days. I mean, can you sell forever? No. Eventually, the selling off ends because these whales are done collecting and they're done profit taking. So it is time to move back up. But in the interim, what you do is you buy the dips, you hodl, or if you want to take profits, right? Because I always say to folks, there is no shame in taking profits. That's okay too. But if you are a long-term investor, you want these healthy corrections because you are able to get a better price and you are able to create a higher floor. If you are a long-term hodler, such as myself, even though right now we are still correcting, I am still up about 3x my original investment. So with that being said, even if we go to 3474, I will still be about 2x my investment. So for me, I am not worried at all. And I'm telling you folks right now, there are tons of folks who are just like me. We are hodlers, we're diamond paws, diamond hands, and we are still in profit. So why the heck will we sell when we know where it's going? And it's going up. So go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And most importantly, have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.